Hey guys, so we're up to the very last part number 16 from problem sheet number 1. And as you can see, it is going to incorporate a little bit of what we've done previously. So you can see here that it's going to incorporate the L shape from number 11, so that L shape there, and it's also going to incorporate that the angled measurements and stuff and the procedure that we did from number 14. One thing we could also do, so it does come down to me a little bit because I don't know whether I could literally just cut number 14. I could cut one section off of number 14, or I could go through and redraw this, draw this all together. And I think I might go through the process of drawing it all together because in number 14 it did take 3 extrusions and stuff to get the desired outcome that we wanted. And I think that's the only one that we've actually done that. So with number 16, we might do that again, and that way you guys will have a better understanding of the program and how it all works. So what we're going to be doing is let's enlarge this, and let's start getting our workspace ready. So going new, and then going to making sure metric, standard millimeters, create. So then now we're moving from starting 2D sketch, choosing the XZ plane. And then we're going to make a L shape again. I'm just going to double check the measurements though. So having a look at this L shape, we can go 30 by 50, and then we're extruding it down 20. Okay, so just like last time. So going from here across 30, down 50. Alright, let's zoom in. And then make sure across 10, down 40. So remembering why we do 40 to allow for the bottom measurement to go across and be accurate. Okay, snaps to there and snaps to there. Okay, right click, and go OK. 3D model, extrude. And just before we extrude this, I'm going to double check the measurement, hopefully like you guys do as well, and it is 20 millimeters, so changing that to 20. So that is then all just about done. So last section we need to do is actually do the angle. So I'm going to turn this over. So I want it to be on this side. We're going to be extruding from there and drawing the angle. And just double checking, there is no, so it is flush with the bottom there. You can see that. And you see the measurements here, 10 by 10 by 10. So we're going to make sure we get this right. So let's do our sketch on here. Okay, sketch. So once I've drawn my angle, I'm then going to extrude it out from there. Okay, so let's make this a little bit better. Alright, so if I do a line, and this line is not going to be terribly accurate, I'm literally going to go from there to there. And the reason I did that, I could have gone from here. Where are you? So it did try to snap before to the midpoint. So you see there, that's the midpoint. And hopefully it's not snapped to there. Right click OK. Hopefully it's not snapped to there, but we're going to have a little bit of a play afterwards. So now I can have a look on here, and it's 10 millimeters from either end. So easiest way to do that is dimension, and we're going to go from there to there, and we're going to change that to 10 exactly, and we're going to change this one from there to there, and that's going to be 10 exactly there. So we know that now, that and that is accurate. So we can have a look here again. So we know that dimension there and this dimension here are accurate. The last thing we need to do to make sure this extrudes properly is we actually need to make sure this is a closed off shape. So if I try to extrude that, I can't extrude just one line, okay? So I need to actually go to the top here, make a line come all the way down, and make a line go all the way across as well. Okay, so now we have that completed triangle. We can actually extrude that up and it will be completed. So 3D model extrude. And see how that's extruding downwards? The way we can actually do this is we go extrude direction 2 and it'll go the other way than it wants to. And we'll make that 10. Okay, so then if we have a look at it from the top angle, you can see that I have indeed made that shape exactly like number 16, and that's what we want to do. So final steps, and hopefully you guys are getting a bit excited because you're almost finished, you're almost up to the 4 tests. So save that, and part number 16, and save. Okay, so now what you guys should be doing is actually moving on to the last section, which is 17, 18, 19, and 20. And just about all of those are going to include at least two sketches and 2 extrusions. So hopefully, through doing number 14 and 16 are probably the really, really important ones to get those ones right. So good luck, and hopefully you've learned a lot through this video.